Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look right here. It's what I've been wearing lately for the past few weeks. It's really easy to do, only takes me like 10 minutes in the morning to get ready, and it's what I've been wearing in my latest photos. I'll pop them up right here. Before I get started with the video, I just want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Built Bar. So these are the protein bars that I've been loving lately. They have so many different flavors. They have 18 different flavors, and I've been loving this one right here. This is the double dark chocolate, but they also have peanut butter brownie. They have this mint chocolate one. They have cookies and cream, coconut. They have so many different flavors, and the best part about them is they're high in protein, but low in calories, and they're also gluten-free. It's great to just pop in your bag, take on hikes, or after my workout, I like a little pick-me-up, and these are great if I don't have time for a full meal. Yeah, these are amazing. They taste delicious, and they're great. If you're interested, there'll be a link in my description to shop. So I'm starting off with a moisturizer. This one's by Caudalie, and it's really nice and lightweight. It wears really nicely on the skin for daytime. And now I'm going in with this La Roche-Posay Mineral Sunscreen. It's SPF 50, and it's also tinted, so it just covers up any redness that I might have. It's a really slight tint, so you're not going to feel like you're wearing anything, but it looks great on the skin. And it also has a nice sheen to the skin, so it just helps your skin look nice and luminous. Now I'm going in with this tinted lip balm by Too Faced. It has a really nice peachy tint, and it looks great on my skin tone. And then after that, I'm going in with this TULA eye stick. It's called Rose Glow and Get It. This one's really nice. It's technically skincare, but it does have a really nice sheen, so it really helps illuminate the under eye area. And even on my no makeup days, I like to wear this, and it just helps your skin look extra healthy. And I've also noticed it has been helping with my dark circles. I'm not sure what ingredients it has, but it's really good. And now I'm going in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just dusting that on the center of my face because that's where my pores are larger, so I just like to fill those in, and it also will help the makeup last. Now I'm going in with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is just going to help soak up all that powder and just make it look, it's going to help it soak into the skin really nicely. And after this step, you can also use primer if you find that your makeup doesn't last throughout the day, or if you have a longer day. Sometimes I do, but today I didn't. And now I'm going in with a foundation stick, and I'm actually using this foundation stick as concealer. I really like the formula of this, and I find this looks really good on bare skin opposed to using just concealer. I've tried both ways, and I find this foundation stick looks the best. This one is a little too yellow for me right now, so I'm definitely going to pick up a lighter shade, but this formula is amazing. It's such a good foundation. And I'm also using a concealer brush by Vasanti to blend that in, as well as this really tiny pointer brush that I'm going to use just to spot treat any pimples that I have. And this Vasanti concealer brush is really nice. It really helps blend. It's perfect for concealer underneath the eyes. And now I'm going in with this Laura Mercier concealer. I'm using the brightening side, and I'm just doing a small triangle underneath my eyes where I have a little bit of darkness, and then just on the outer corner, and that's going to help lift the eye, as well as just the corners of the lip and nose. And I also like to do a straight line from the corner of the nose to the corner of the eye, just for an extra brightening look. Now I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush and just using a little bit of translucent powder and just putting that on the areas that I put foundation. And now I'm using this Glow Play blush by MAC in the shade So Natural. This is beautiful. This is such a nice shade. This formula is amazing. This might be a little too light if you're darker than me, but the formula of these is amazing. And I also don't wear highlight because it has a natural glow to it. It's so nice. And now I'm going in with this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer on a blending brush and just putting that all over my eye. This is just going to help soak up any oils and prevent it from creasing throughout the day. And now I'm using a small shader brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and creating a very slight wing. This is my favorite look that I do lately because it's so easy, but it just enhances all your features. And now I'm going in with that same bronzer and just putting it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and forehead. And then just going in with a little bit of translucent powder and just cleaning everything up. And now I'm curling my eyelashes. I used to never curl my eyelashes, but it makes such a huge difference. And this one's really great by Tweezerman because it's made for round eyes, so it really helps you get every little eyelash. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury mascara, and for my mascara I'm only focusing it on the outer corner of my eyes because I want that elongated look. So I'm just focusing it there, and I actually really like this method because then I don't end up taking a lot of time taking off my mascara. That's one thing I hate about mascara. It takes forever to take off, so this way it just takes me a couple washes and everything is off. And now I'm using one of my favorite brow setter products. This is a brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. It's clear and it lasts all day long without making your eyebrows feel super crispy. It's great. And now I'm going in with Cappuccino Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics. I love this formula of lip liners. I have multiple colors and they're great. It's such a good formula. And when I draw my lips, I like to overdraw the bottom lip just slightly, and then I start from the outer corners and then I make my way up. This way it really helps you keep control of your lip liner and it prevents it from making any weird lines. And I'm not overdrawing my top lip, it's just the bottom. I'm just getting a straight line going up on both sides and a slight cupid's bow. And I'm also not filling in my lips, I'm just outlining them. Now I'm just cleaning up that lip liner with a flat shader brush, and I have a little bit of concealer, so I'm just cleaning it up. And now I'm using this Colourpop Lippie stick. This was such a beautiful color. I'll have all the names listed below. And that's the final look. Honestly guys, this look takes me no time in the mornings. This is what I've been wearing lately and it's been great. And it looks so good in photos as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.